Hello, my name is Stacy Vason and I'm here at the Memphis Acupuncture and Chinese Medicine Center. I'm here because I wanted to share information with you about acupuncture as it pertains to the hair and scalp. Being a hairstylist for over 25 years and creating my own hair care company, which is a shampoo, a deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner, which you can purchase on my website, stacyvason.com, I have realized that my clients' needs sometimes extend far beyond what I can do as a cosmetologist. As a result, I will send them out to an acupuncture doctor, for example, in order to get treatment along with other regimens that they have and collaborate in order to have healthy hair and scalp and a healthy body. Join me as Dr. Orlando Lee treats my client Shelly Hooks and talks about the benefits of acupuncture.
My name is Orlando Lee. I'm a fourth generation and been practice in Memphis 24 years already. I'm glad to have this opportunity here today to talk about a little bit how acupuncture can help the hair and the psoriasis related issue. This is acupuncture needle. The needle actually is about your hair size, and most people always connect needle versus the syringe thinking it's going to hurt. Actually, it's not true. You barely feel it. Okay, I'm always describe to people acupuncture treatment is almost what you really experience, like a little light rubber band tapping sensation. That's all you're going to experience. Okay, so pain wise is not an issue. The needle wise, basically is all sterilized, and they come in a package of either 1 per tube or 5 per tube, and they have what we so-called holding point, and they have a body needle body point. Needle body point basically is strictly insert to patient. We don't touch that. The holding point is how we actually holding the needle, and each needle designed to use once, and we throw away in the biohazard once we're finished. We do not reuse the needle. I'm going to explain quickly what am I actually going to do and place this needle. Due to psoriasis, obviously I mentioned earlier, as a physically wise, there's 3 different areas we focus in: liver, gallbladder detox, adrenal gland function, and also the thyroid function. Okay, so the needle, when I place it, automatically I was thinking what 3 area that actually will relate, what auto pressure point will relate to those 3 issues. Liver and gallbladder, obviously we focus on detox, cleansing. So I will place needle in the body to cause the detoxification. The treatment basically take approximately about 30 minutes. Once I insert needle into different area, your body contains 2,000 different pressure points. And depends on your condition due to your psoriasis and due to your hair issue, I focus in different set of pressure points to support this treatment. Okay, and of course, I will sterilize the pressure point that I want to use first to allow the area to be sterilized. Then of course, I had to wait till they dried up before I can put the needles in. Okay. Again, you barely feel it. Okay. I'm using a technique. It's called tubing technique. This tube, little plastic tube, allow me to insert a needle through the tube quickly and bypass your dermal layer, which is your skin layer, as fast as possible, okay, without you feeling too much pain, okay? And I'm gonna place that on the pressure point. This pressure point is called, a Chinese pressure point is called sanjiao, okay? What is a sanjiao for? Sanjiao actually do several things. 1, balance your female hormone. 2, work on your bladder function and female function. 3, it have ability to do some detox. Okay, did you even feel that at all?
No.
Okay, all you're gonna feel really just a little tapping sensation. Okay, now this pressure point, the next set I'm coming to you right now on your low abdominal area, again to balance so-called your body chi level. Okay, Chinese medicine, again, we believe when your chi is in a good place, your body naturally know how to do a lot of balance on your own. Because we always joke around, no doctor can treat a dead horse. If your system not in a good place, we cannot correct you, okay? But if your system in a good place, once we're able to correct you to a certain point, your body take over. Simple as that, okay? This pressure point have ability to work on your female system, okay? Again, like I was mentioning earlier, I don't just focus work on your psoriasis on top of your head. I focus your whole body had to function at the best level. That's why we also talked a while ago about the dietary. Your dietary play a huge role how your body actually can overcome this. Okay. Now the next two pressure point on your elbow area, this is called 曲池. Okay. Pressure point or 曲池 have ability to measure detox. Okay, major cleansing in the system. Okay, so these two pressure point normally I'm always put that in there to help your body to detox. Okay, now keep in mind sometimes there's a pressure point down there on your ankle area called 血海 I can also use. Like I said, you have a 2,000 pressure point. I basically based on your condition will pick and choose. And just for a lot of you who don't know, Chinese medicine, the 2,000 pressure point based on a total of 14 meridian and channel. Those 14 meridian and channel travel through your entire body. 6 meridian travel in the front, 6 meridian travel on the back. And there's a one center of a channel in the front, one to the back. So you add that all together, there's a 14. You know. Okay, I'm going to continue on the needle. Okay, the point behind your neck, this is called 风池. Okay, 风池 actually have ability to calm down your body's sympathetic nerve system. Okay, and why do I put the needle on the 风池? Again, liver actually, beside your normal diet, another thing can stress your liver function is a stress. Okay, when you're under stress, if you pay attention, you realize your psoriasis is worse. If you go through 2-3 days you're not sleep, what's going to happen? Your psoriasis is worse, right? Okay, so that pressure point not only help your entire sympathetic nerve system more calm, it really also we call a sleep one pressure point. It help you rest and sleep better. Tonight you will see when you go home you're gonna sleep like a baby. Okay. Now we move on to the top. The pressure point basically what I'm gonna focus in your ear is a 3 area: liver, thyroid, adrenal gland. Okay. Your liver pressure point, your ear actually contain over 100 pressure point. And this one I just actually put it in is for your liver. Okay. The next one is designed for your thyroid. Okay. And of course the very next one or last one in your ear, adrenal gland. Okay. Now go to the other side. I will penetrate the same set because both sides carry identical pressure point on both sides. And I put a liver, thyroid, and adrenal gland. Now at the last, I do go to what we call local trouble area, okay, where you have the psoriasis. Now keep in mind, I'm not really talking your psoriasis itself, okay, because needle do not kill anything, okay. There's no medication, no medicine to it. So, but I do place a needle at a major pressure point. On top of your head, there's a so-called 百会, and also so-called 四神宗. Those pressure point is the main pressure point on top of the head to control all the scalp area function. And most people come to me whether it's scalp related issues, skin related issues, stress, headache, and so on. I'm always place those needles on top of your head. Okay? The area I insert a needle, we already sterilized a while ago, so you are clear for me to place the needle. Okay, now, as your needle treatment wise, this is pretty much what I will approach you. Again, when you have another acupuncturist that he or her may see your condition a little bit different. For instance, like I was mentioning to you, as a Chinese medicine, we're based on yin and yang and 5 elements. So what happens is depends on your condition. A while ago, I was diagnosed your liver have too much of a fire, okay? Yang is too high. So I'm trying to deplete you a little bit. When I say deplete, meaning more cleansing, okay? And from time to time, you can present to your acupuncturist differently at a time. Your condition can change from morning to noon, noon to evening, not mentioned from day to day, week to week, or month to month. Okay, that's why a lot of people always say, why do I go to this acupuncture? They do something a little bit different versus other one. Well, this is the reason why. Because your condition can change and we will modify what we have to do to help you, to make that changes. Okay, technically the needle will stay for possible 20 to 30 minutes. And then of course, depends on patient situation, we may do two sides. We do it in front, we do it in the back. In your cases, needle treatment in the front should be plenty. The worst side effect when this treatment can provide you, maybe give you a little bruising, okay? And those bruising normally will self-clear anywhere from few days up to a week. That would be clear. Do you have any questions I can answer you while I have all the needles in you?
How many treatments did you say?
The treatment in this condition can require anywhere from 4 up to 10 visits. Okay? Normally, I would tell my patient I will have to see you probably twice a week, the first 2 weeks. After that, once a week. Okay? Now, that don't mean I can declare you all clear after 10 visits. But you should see a massive improvement between 4 to 10 visits. Let me emphasize this very clear. Your sleep is equally important than any other medication for your psoriasis or perhaps your hair condition. Why? Because your body do majority of the healing in the evening while you sleep. Okay? When you don't sleep, that's where your internal system will hold a lot of stress. Your liver naturally produces over 500 different chemicals. Okay? Those chemicals naturally help your body communication, doing this, doing that. When you're under stress, that chemical get offset. Your body gonna have a very difficult time to try to heal. So I'm always tell patients, it don't matter what I do for you, if you don't rest properly, you're still fighting uphill battle. And I'm really honored to have this opportunity to take this moment to explain some of those things to some of the viewers, because I think it's important. I'm always telling my patient, I'm glad to see you, but it's more importantly, once you understand my approach, is you had to do your job, taking better care of yourself in diet, in routine, in your lifestyle. Your eating habit obviously have everything to do with it.